Hello, I'm Derrick Brooks, president of the Tampa Bay Storm, Derrick Brooks Charities, and co-founder of Brooks de Boileau Collegiate High School. I want to give a personal testimonial to Ocean Constructions and for Jonathan Harold. They've done tremendous work not only for my building at our high school, but Jonathan has also performed some great work in my personal home. I want to personally give a testimonial to him as well as his staff that he's a trustworthy person and a good person to do business with. So if you have home needs or business needs in the construction field or general contractor needs, please give Ocean Construction a consideration and Jonathan Harold an opportunity to earn your business.